पिछले दिनों I got a message from a friend and he asked me to come over to visit Kumrat again. Kumrat is a place of different weather conditions, beautiful landscapes, fresh water and huge mountains. So the next day we decided to go for the trip and they joined me on the journey. Kumrat is located in Upper Dir, Pakistan. We spent almost 3 days experiencing the beautiful landscapes and endless nature in that valley. At the time we reached, the day was cloudy, but the next morning everything was clear, the sunrise with the morning glow. We spent almost 3 days here and that's all we can share. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kumrat.